For years, AtlasIED has been known as a leader in sound masking technology, with hundreds of thousands of deployments around the world. Today, we're transforming speech privacy with an unprecedented plug-and-play solution, the Z-Series. With multiple zones and the ability to incorporate paging and background music, the Z-Series has all the functionality a facility needs in an audio system. With added features such as Bluetooth streaming, BLE support, and wireless signage connectivity, the Z-Series will become your go-to solution for speech privacy applications. When packaged with AtlasIED loudspeakers like the SHS series and MW series microphones, the Z-Series becomes an entire audio system package. Unlike other manufacturers, AtlasIED values our integration partners and will only offer this product through those partners to ensure proper installation. This innovative sound masking solution gives you the functionality and control you will need to grow sound masking into a substantial part of your business moving forward.
Speech privacy is something that can benefit every business, yet it needs to be a solution that addresses all of your facility's audio needs, not just sound masking alone. And it needs to be easy to use. Hello, I'm the Z-Series, and I make your office more productive by covering up those annoying noises and conversations that distract employees from getting their jobs done. Let's just say I keep sensitive information where it's supposed to be. I can have either a 2-zone or 4-zone configuration, and each zone can be configured for sound masking or paging and background music. My zones can also be combined, creating either a single or dual zone direct field masking system. You have the choice. Pair my direct field abilities with an SHS loudspeaker, and you have a unique solution for direct but diffused sound masking. I include factory preset defaults for sound masking settings that have been established by the industry leader in sound masking, Dr. Robert Chanot. This is the best of the pro sound masking world right at your fingertips. With my digital display, navigation buttons, and USB port, I make these presets and adjustments a snap. Proper settings based on the application can be selected before installation is finished, ensuring I'm doing what I do best. Within our smartphone app, an installer with administrator rights can even do remote level adjustment during setup. End users are also able to use the app and engage enhanced speech privacy mode when desired. This can remotely activate an optional hardwired enhanced privacy sign or the optional wireless Z sign. The Z sign also acts as a wireless transceiver that can enable enhanced speech privacy mode with the push of a button. Did I mention I can work with any 70-volt loudspeaker, whether a direct or indirect field, and I have a Bluetooth receiver for audio streaming? Yes, I've got all of this and more, and I'm ready to slowly ramp up in your facility today. I'll blend in well, both in sound and in looks. I, the Z-Series, am part of AtlasIED's Tech That Transforms your speech privacy. Make the Z-Series part of your AtlasIED system solution.